problem with our TV room since day one. It's a very odd-shaped room, so it made it really difficult for me to decide which wall to make feature walls and what to do with the room, and it left me totally uninspired. Palesa from Dulux came to visit, and I took her through my Pinterest board with the inspiration and vision that I had for the room. I was thinking of bringing the boho look in and maybe doing a stencil of sorts.
Your focal area should be where the TV should be.
Okay.
So I would definitely say this wall should probably be the wall that you do the stencil on.
She guided me through the steps that you need to take to make the decision which wall would be the feature wall, and then we played around with some of the Dulux color testers to make sure which colors would work and which wouldn't work for the room. I started the room makeover by painting the feature wall a light grey color. Then I used my mudcloth inspiration to create a herringbone style stencil out of an old x-ray sheet and added an accent black color to make that wall pop. I added a few extra green elements, art pieces and a shelf on the wall just to bring the whole look together. It's a lovely relaxing space that we can enjoy with the family at night. I'm really happy with how all the DIYs turned out.